Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel A Lifestyle with Nazul. This is Nazul Sholik. So guys, today we are traveling to Smoky Mountains. Smoky Mountains are actually in North Carolina, which is like 3 hours, I think 3.5 hours drive. So we are going there and I'm gonna show you the drive on the way, and also I will show you around where we are staying and what we are doing. And we have everybody, some people are in one car, some people in another car. So Taji's at the back. So let's go. We need to get the gas and then we are gonna hit the road. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's do it. Oh my god, it's so funny. Okay guys, so we have stopped at Bucky's. We are gonna get some food, we are gonna use the restrooms, and then we are gonna start again. Guys, the weather is, well, I didn't want it to be cloudy, Shishu.
What?
We are at Bucky's. हम क्या ले रहे हैं यहाँ से?
Food.
I think sandwiches, or it's raining, it's really busy. Let's go, and I think we don't need gas. So let's go in. But it's not that cold. Oh, यहाँ से. We're gonna go in.
Oh, just wait, the snow will come. Oh, I know.
Oh, it's big, guys. Here is all the Christmas wine. I think Nurita have. These have already gone. Oh, the Christmas stuff. Okay, let's get food. Okay, we're gonna make some coffee. Isu, where are we? We are at Bucky's.
They also have the pecans, the hot pecans.
Just use the restroom. I had to do that.
Go crazy.
Okay, go. Alright, we are gonna make coffee. Izu and I are gonna make coffee. Izu there. Which one should we do? And the boys are there. Alright guys, Izu is making coffee for both of us. Nuri went to get some burritos. Oh, I see boys over there. There are. Oh. Okay. So you also got hot one? Hot. What flavor is it? This one is pumpkin pie spice. Yes. Should I add it? I don't know. Do you want this? I think वो तो Smoky Mountains में. Oh, this is so cute. Alright guys, so we made it to our cottage. It is so pretty, I can show you. Look.
Hey, what time is it?
Look. Ricky, what do you think? Oh my god, it reminds me of somewhere in Sawat. So in the morning, सुबह मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी क्या view है यहाँ पे. अभी तो हम पहुँचे हैं. Let me show you from inside. Let me show you. This is the kitchen. This is the dining area. And look who's sitting here. Isu, what do you think? It's really cute. This is the first floor. Okay. Oh, this is so cute here. This is one bedroom. Isa and I are gonna sleep here. This is the bathroom with it. So pretty. Look at this. And we're getting our luggage in. Yuri, what do you think?
I'm so excited.
Okay, now we're gonna take it upstairs. Alright guys, let's go upstairs. This is the game room, guys. Look how pretty it is. So if you guys want to come to Smoky Mountains or Pigeon Forge area, always book a cabin. It is so pretty, I'm telling you. सुबह मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी how pretty the view is. Look at this. And then this is the bathroom and jacuzzi. We just wanted to have a winter getaway in the mountains. कल के vlog में फिर I will show you all the view. This is the deck. Oh, you can see from here. Look how pretty it is. There are the chairs. सुबह आपको हम नाश्ता करेंगे, ये वाला व्यू दिखाएंगे. Pretty. Alright guys, so that's all for today. अभी हम पहुँचे हैं. It was 3.5 hour drive. So बीच में बारिश भी थी. So we are exhausted. We are gonna unpack. We are gonna make some chai. हम घर से सारा सामान लेके आए हैं. हम चाय बनाएंगे और we're gonna warm up some food. और कल हम बिरयानी भी बनाएंगे. We got everything from home because we have a little kitchen, so we are gonna cook. And then I'm gonna show you around. So do subscribe to my channel if you like my vlog, and we will keep you posted from Smoky Mountains in North Carolina. So अपना ख्याल रखने, अपने घर वालों का ख्याल रखें और be nice to others, be polite to others, take care of your loved ones, take care of your parents.